AC interference, a term so many of us are hearing on a daily basis. I suspect that, like many folks, the first time you hear that, you struggle a little bit to understand the science behind it, the threat to your actual pipeline assets, and how in the world you're going to mitigate that. But the truth is, with the pipelines we have in the ground today, more going in the ground every day, and our ever-growing network of electric transmission and distribution systems, co-location is our future. Hello, my name is Clay Brailsford. I'm the president of Bass Engineering Company, and I'd like to invite you to join myself and my colleagues at American Innovations as we offer a 4-part series designed to help you better understand this AC phenomenon. So please join us, take advantage of the 4 professional development credit hours we have available for you, and learn more about how you can understand AC interference, threat assessment, and take advantage of the mitigation tools we have to offer. Thanks.